Video number 13. The 10 don'ts you have to avoid for successful YouTube marketing campaigns. 1. Don't publish all your videos on the same day. Creating so many videos and uploading all of them on the same day can destroy your brand reputation completely. One after another notifications can annoy your audience, and most likely they'll unsubscribe from your YouTube channel to avoid the notifications from you. To fix this, schedule your YouTube videos so your viewers will not get too many notifications from you. Scheduled video also boosts audience's curiosity to watch your YouTube videos. 2. Don't avoid feedback. Audience feedback is really important in order to optimize your brand and keep a good reputation in your niche market. Ignoring users' feedback can degrade your brand's trust. If viewers don't get a proper response from you, they will unsubscribe and neglect your videos. Answer every question that is asked by your audience to improve your brand's integrity and give users a reason to talk about you. 3. Don't overuse annotations. Annotations can be a great way to increase traffic and subscribers to your YouTube channel. YouTube provides the opportunity to add comments to be shown over top of the video. Don't use this type of annotation because it looks unethical and distracts your viewers. Overusing annotations can also lessen the impact on your audience. Invasive annotations and all capital letters need to be avoided when writing text annotations, so don't annoy your videos with too many annotations. 4. Don't ignore video quality. Using poor quality videos for your YouTube advertising campaign leads to less viewers and subscribers. Most users avoid watching low-quality video. The visual content of your video needs to be of the best quality to engage more customers. The audio quality also needs to be good. Creating a quality video doesn't require expensive tools or apparatus. You can create it with your mobile device by focusing on angles. 5. Don't try to sell all of the time. Selling all of the time with your YouTube videos can irritate your viewers. They'll ignore updates from you, and that can decrease your subscribing rate. Uploading advertising videos all the time can be the cause of losing important leads. It can also poorly impact your product sales and return on investment. Try to post regularly with different kinds of videos to connect, engage, and demonstrate your products instead of advertising. 6. Don't buy fake subscribers. Businesses and marketers always look to gain more traffic for their YouTube channel and websites because it increases your brand visibility. But buying subscribers can really hurt your business. This leads to losing potential viewers, brand reputation, traffic, and user engagement. Try to avoid the fake likes and try to reach your audience via advertising and organic results. Real viewers boost your sales and credibility. 7. Don't spam. Spamming your potential viewers can reduce views. It can also decrease your brand credibility. There is a greater probability that viewers will unsubscribe from your channel. Google is continuously working to stop spamming. Scamming content, deceptive thumbnails, and artificial subscribers can be a prime cause to be banned by the Google Display Network. 8. Don't repeat your video content. No one likes to watch repetitive content. Repetition of your video can harm you. If your viewers can find it somewhere else, then why would they come to you? A repeated video can decrease your potential viewers. It also affects your sales funnels and revenue. If the Google Display Network finds your video as repetitive content, it will mark your videos as spam. Be unique with your video content to diminish repetitiveness and to engage your viewers with your brand. 9. Don't avoid thumbnails. Without video thumbnails, viewers will be unable to view a snapshot of your products or services. Absence of thumbnails prompts your audience to move from your YouTube channel. Neglecting thumbnails can be a cause of losing prospective customers. To get more from your YouTube advertising campaign, you can use a thumbnail that is suggested by YouTube after uploading a video. 10. Don't avoid the call to action. Ignoring a call to action in your video can harm your YouTube channel. With a call to action, you can convert prospective viewers into paying customers. Don't hesitate to utilize a call to action in your videos. CTAs are directly proportional to viewers. Don't use too many CTAs, though. That can also be a reason for losing audiences. Try to motivate your customers and make them click on your video to explore more about you.